As the world faces growing threats from climate change, economic inequality, and social injustice, traditional finance is being reshaped by a movement that seeks not just to sustain, but to regenerate the planet. Regenerative finance, ReFi, is a revolutionary approach that combines blockchain technology, community-driven initiatives, and sustainability to restore ecosystems and empower marginalized populations. In this video, we'll explore how ReFi is poised to change the face of global finance and the unique opportunities it presents for investors. What is regenerative finance? Regenerative finance goes beyond the typical goals of environmental, social, and governance (ESG) investing. While ESG focuses on minimizing harm, ReFi aims to repair, restore, and regenerate. It's a system designed to drive positive impact, not just avoid negative consequences. The philosophy behind ReFi is that finance can play a crucial role in revitalizing ecosystems, improving social equity, and regenerating economic opportunities in a sustainable way. At its core, ReFi leverages decentralized finance, DeFi, and blockchain technology, offering a transparent, inclusive, and collaborative financial system. Investors can track the flow and impact of their funds, ensuring that their capital directly supports regenerative initiatives, whether it's reforestation projects, ocean cleanup efforts, or community-driven development. Environmental restoration through ReFi. One of the primary goals of ReFi is reversing environmental damage. ReFi projects often focus on reforestation, aiming not only to plant trees but also to rejuvenate entire ecosystems by improving biodiversity, soil health, and carbon capture. Some initiatives emphasize soil regeneration or ocean conservation, with a goal of healing damaged environments and fostering long-term ecological balance. In many ReFi models, investors can purchase carbon offset tokens, which are tied to verified environmental efforts like planting trees or restoring mangroves. This makes it easier to channel funds to impactful projects that contribute directly to reversing environmental harm. Social equity and economic inclusion. A standout feature of ReFi is its commitment to social justice and community empowerment. By investing in marginalized communities, ReFi offers access to financial systems that were previously unavailable. ReFi projects provide microloans, create local employment, and fund social enterprises that benefit underserved populations. For example, ReFi enables communities in rural areas of Africa or South America to crowdfund and receive capital to build sustainable agriculture systems or renewable energy projects. This isn't just about seeking profit. Investors in ReFi aim to uplift entire populations by addressing both economic and social inequalities. Decentralization and blockchain transparency. Blockchain technology is a critical component of ReFi. By using decentralized finance, ReFi eliminates traditional financial intermediaries, giving communities more control over how funds are allocated. Blockchain also ensures transparency and accountability, allowing investors to see exactly how their money is being used. This transparency is vital for building trust, especially in large-scale regenerative projects. Moreover, the decentralized nature of ReFi empowers local communities and stakeholders to have a more significant say in decision-making processes, eliminating the need for top-down governance structures. Tokenization of assets in ReFi. One of the innovative aspects of ReFi is the tokenization of real-world assets like forests, oceans, or farmland. These assets are represented as digital tokens on the blockchain, which can be traded or held by investors. Tokenized assets provide liquidity and accessibility, allowing individuals and institutions to invest in regenerative projects that were once limited to large, centralized entities. An emerging trend within this space is the creation of carbon tokens, where investors can purchase tokens linked to carbon credits that fund climate-positive projects. With ReFi, anyone with an internet connection can contribute to restoring ecosystems or promoting social justice. Why regenerative finance matters now. The environmental and economic crises are driving a reevaluation of capital use. Climate change is accelerating, and traditional finance systems are increasingly seen as inadequate to meet the scale of the challenge. While ESG investing has grown in popularity, it has often been criticized for greenwashing, where companies exaggerate their environmental credentials without delivering tangible results. ReFi fills this gap by offering a more impactful and transparent alternative. Investors today want to go beyond reducing harm. They want their capital to generate positive, measurable outcomes. ReFi offers this by aligning financial returns with regenerative principles. As more corporations and governments commit to net zero carbon goals, the demand for investments that actively support regeneration is growing. ReFi positions itself as an ideal solution, providing investors with opportunities to back projects that mitigate harm while restoring the planet. How to get involved in ReFi? For those interested in participating in the ReFi movement, there are several ways to begin. Explore decentralized finance platforms. Platforms like Toucan Protocol and Regen Network offer entry points into regenerative projects. Invest in tokenized assets. Consider purchasing tokenized carbon credits that are tied to real-world environmental initiatives. These can offer both financial returns and tangible environmental benefits. Join ReFi communities. Engaging with online communities dedicated to ReFi can help you stay updated on emerging trends and opportunities. Learn about blockchain and DeFi. Understanding blockchain and decentralized finance technology is critical for making informed investment decisions in the ReFi space. The future of regenerative finance. Looking ahead, ReFi is poised to become a major force in global finance. As blockchain technology matures and regulatory frameworks solidify, more capital will flow into regenerative projects. This creates a virtuous cycle where financial investments not only generate returns but also restore ecosystems, uplift communities, and create a more equitable world. For investors, ReFi offers a unique opportunity to be at the forefront of a financial revolution, one that aligns profit with purpose. As we continue to face pressing environmental and social challenges, regenerative finance provides a bold, forward-thinking solution to some of the world's most urgent problems. Now is the time to explore how you can get involved in this exciting new frontier.